Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm making Stir Fry Shanghai Noodles. So let's review the ingredients. I have a package of Shanghai style noodles, pork, green onions, Napa cabbage, garlic, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, dark soy, seasoning salt mix, white pepper, and baking soda. For the prep, let's start out with cutting the pork. And I'm going to slice it and then cut it into strips. And I'm using a piece of pork shoulder. You can use a pork loin. And I'm cutting this into matchstick pieces. Okay, let me wash up and we can proceed with the rest of the prep. Next, we can marinate the pork. Add a bit of the seasoning salt here, white pepper, a little bit of baking soda, and the baking soda is going to help tenderize the meat. Sesame oil, and the Shaoxing wine. Give this a good mix. Okay, that looks good. Put this aside and let it marinate for at least 10 minutes. And next we can slice the Napa cabbage. I'm going to cut it at an angle in about a 1/4 inch strips. And next we'll slice the garlic. We'll also cut the green onion. We'll cut it into 1/4 sections. And for the noodles, we're just gonna break the bundles up. And as you can see, the Shanghai noodles are quite thicker than the regular noodles. It's gonna have a nice chewy texture. Okay, so all the prep is done. We'll wait a few more minutes for the pork to marinate and we can start cooking. Alright, the first thing we need to do is cook off the noodles. I have a wok filled with boiling water. And cook the noodles according to the instructions on the package. So let this come up to a boil and cook it for 3 minutes. You can stir it around a bit to make sure they don't stick. You can also give the noodles a quick taste. Make sure not to overcook it. That's good. Okay, turn off the heat. So off camera, I'm going to rinse and drain the noodles in cold water. Okay, I've drained and rinsed the noodles. They're sitting on the side here. Next, we'll cook the pork. The pan is set at a medium-high heat. We'll add oil. And next, we're going to cook up the pork. And we're going to cook the pork for a few minutes until they become opaque. And to this, I'm just going to add a splash of the dark soy. Just going to give it a little bit of color. Okay, that looks good.
So remove it from the pan. Just a little bit more oil. Add the garlic. Now I'm going to add the noodles. I like to shred it out a little bit. This is going to warm it up. And add a little bit of the seasoning salt, white pepper, sesame oil. Now I'm going to add the Napa cabbage, and we'll toss this. At this point, I'm add just a little extra seasoning salt, a little extra sesame oil, put the dark soy in, a generous amount of Shaoxing wine. We'll return the pork. And the Napa cabbage doesn't take too long to cook. Also going to add the green onion. Just toss this for about another 30 seconds. And you don't want to overcook the cabbage. This looks really good. Just give the noodles a quick taste. That's good. Okay, turn off the heat. This is ready. Let's serve this. And here we have a delicious plate of stir-fry Shanghai noodles. The thick, dense noodles has a nice chewy texture, and you also get a nice crunch from the Napa cabbage. Enjoy! Well, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, she likes Shanghai noodles. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Remember to join me on Facebook. Good girl.